In this video, I'm going to show you how to layer objects in PowerPoint. I'm Rebecca Livermore, the Office Creative. So first of all, one thing that you need to know about PowerPoint is that when you try to layer objects, whatever you created first, whatever object you added to the slide first, whether that's a shape or an image, is going to go behind the other one. So for example, look at this. I created this rectangle and put the words on it, and then I created this triangle. And my intent was to make this be a label over the triangle, but you can see what happens. It's hidden behind it. The good news is this is very easy to fix. You just simply right-click on the object and you either select Bring to Front or Send to Back, depending on what you want to do. Now in this case, I clicked on the triangle and I want it to go to the back, so I'm going to send it to the back. And now you'll see that the rectangle shows the way that I want it to show. So that solves that problem. Okay, let's look at another example. These are a couple of pictures from my daughter's wedding. I like both of them. I want both of them to be large in this image. But you can see that my daughter is here in this picture. And so she's a key element of this picture. And that no matter how much I move this around, this image of, it happens to be her husband who did the flowers for her wedding. I love that picture, but it's covering up my daughter. So the easy fix is to just do the layering, right click. We're going to send this picture to the back. And now we have where you can still see the flowers, but you can also see my daughter. So layering images and changing the order in which they appear by sending them backward or forward is a way to deal with this issue. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I put out new content. Thanks so much, and happy creating!